RIA versus Western Union versus MoneyGram, which is cheapest in this year? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever needed to send money abroad, you've probably come across names like RIA, Western Union, and MoneyGram. They've been around for decades, but in this year, which one actually gives you the best deal? Today, we're diving into a full comparison of these three remittance giants. We'll break down their fees, exchange rate, transfer speed, delivery options, and give you a clear answer on which is the cheapest and most efficient to use this year. Let's jump right in. Now, who are these companies? Before we compare, let's get a quick snapshot of these three. Number one, we have the RIA Money Transfers. It's founded in 1987, part of the Euronet Worldwide, known for affordable rates and growing global reach. It's available online and at over 500,000 locations worldwide. Now for Western Union, it's the oldest and most recognizable, around since 1800s with a massive agent network and coverage in over 200 countries. It's reliable but sometimes pricey. And lastly, we have MoneyGram. It is a major player with strong US and international presence, known for fast cash pickups and digital service. All three allow you to send money online, through mobile application or in person, but they each offer bank deposits, mobile wallets, and cash pickups depending on your country. All of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, let's talk about the most important aspects when sending money. Which tool is the cheapest to use? Now, let's break down its cost. There are two things you pay for when you send money. Number one, the transfer fee and the exchange rate markup. Now, for transfer fees, RIA typically charges around $3 to $6 for bank transfers. If you're paying by card, you want to expect to $15 to $30 depending on where you're sending to. Now, for MoneyGram, it usually falls in the $4 to $12 range for smaller transfers. And lastly, Western Union is the most inconsistent. Fees range to $0 to over $40 depending on the amount, method, and destination, so you have to keep it in mind. So when talking about transfer fees, RIA typically offers the lowest one. Now for exchange rate, this is where the hidden cost adds up. RIA offers one of the best exchange rates, usually only 1.5% to 2.5% above the mid-market rate. Now for MoneyGram, it tends to go ahead and add around 3 to 5%, especially on cash pickups. And for Western Union, it often has the highest markup, in some cases over 5%. So if you're sending $500, RIA might charge $8 in total cost, while Western Union might take $25 or more without you even noticing. Now, the third aspect is how fast they are. So, let's go ahead and take a look at speed. If you're in a hurry, the delivery time might be more important than saving a few bucks. Now, for cash pickups, all three offer near instant transfers for cash pickups, usually available in minutes after sending. Western Union is slightly faster in high traffic countries due to more agents. MoneyGram is equally fast and often less busy in smaller cities. And lastly, RIA is quick, but agent location availability can vary by country. Now for bank transfers. Basically, MoneyGram is typically the fastest for bank transfers, often within hours. For Western Union, it takes 1 to 3 business days depending on your bank. And lastly, RIA is reliable but slightly slower, usually around 2 to 4 business days if funded by a bank account. Fourth, where are they available? All three cover most of the world, but how it breaks down. So for Western Union, it wins for global reach with more than 200 countries and over 500,000 agents. For MoneyGram, it is close to second. It's available in 190 countries. And lastly, RIA is growing fast, also reaching around 190 plus countries, but with a fewer physical pickup points in some areas. So if you're sending to countries like India, the Philippines, Mexico, or Nigeria, all three have excellent coverage. But for more remote location, Western Union usually wins. Next, we have delivery options. Because flexibility matters, let's talk about how the recipient gets the money. Now, all three offer cash pickups, bank deposits, mobile wallet, and Visa Direct in some countries. MoneyGram and Western Union also offer bill payment and airtime top-ups in certain regions. RIA stands out for supporting home delivery in specific countries like the Philippines or Morocco. And if your recipient doesn't have a bank account, cash pickup or mobile wallet options are key. And all three support that. From there, let's talk about the real user feedback and trust. Let's see what people are actually saying when using these tools. For RIA, they are praised for low fees and solid exchange rate, but can be slow on bank transfers. For Western Union, it has a mixed reviews. Users love the speed, but hate the hidden exchange rate cost. And lastly, MoneyGram is somewhere in between. It's faster than RIA, cheaper than Western Union, but not always consistent. So in terms of trust and reliability, all three are licensed and regulated. You can safely use any of them. Just be smart about fees and timing. From there, which one should you go ahead and choose? Here's a quick guide. If you want the cheapest total cost, you want to go for RIA. If you need instant cash pickups anywhere in the world, use Western Union. If you need fast bank transfers, you want to use MoneyGram. If you're sending to a remote country, Western Union likely has the most coverage. And if you want to send to a mobile wallet or for home delivery, you want to check RIA first. So at the end of the day, which one is the cheapest? In most cases, RIA wins on price. It has lower fees, better exchange rate, and growing reach. MoneyGram is a solid choice between the middle ground. It's fast, it has decent rates, and it's easy to use. And lastly, Western Union still rules for speed and coverage, but be prepared to pay more for it. At the end of the day, the best service depends on your priorities, price, speed, and convenience. And so, I hope this guide has been helpful. You can just give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on saving money, digital banking, and smarter transfers. Drop a comment below. Which of these services have you used? And what was your experience? Once again, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so you can just go ahead and make sure to check it out. Now, these tools are very trusted when it comes to global reach, so you can then go ahead and try them out and see which one works for you the best. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.